Hello everyone, PC Mentor is here. Today in this video I am going to explain about the MEMU emulator. When we are opening MEMU emulator it's stuck at 56 or at 99. To fix this problem follow these two simple steps. Restart your computer. Once the boot menu appears press setup key, in my case it is F2. It may be different for different laptops. Try to search on Google for the key in your laptop brand. Once you are here, switch to Advanced tab. Now as you can see my virtualization is already enabled. It may be not enabled on your system. So in this way you can enable it. Once you have done this, save the changes and restart your computer. Now open the MEMU emulator. Now as you can see it is open and it did not stuck at 56 or 99. Note, if your emulator is still stuck at 56 or 99, then try this step. Click on MEMU Launcher. First of all, delete this MEMU configurations. Now click on New and select Android 5.1 stable version. As you can see, new MEMU emulator configuration is creating. Once it is done, create shortcut on desktop. Click on Start. So as you can see now the MEMU emulator is starting. So in this way you can get rid of that stucking problem. Now if you still have any questions, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. Stay at home.